Good day, my people. You all are welcome. I'm here to tell our people in Anioma that the law of Delta States recognized Ukwane people, Ika people, and Enuane people as Igbo people. Now, I will start by reading from the laws of Delta States. Under the chapter 12 of Laws of Delta States of Nigeria, it says, traditional rulers, council, and chiefs law. Look at how they are being grouped. Every tribes are being grouped. If you look at the first one, it's called Ovie. Tribe Urhobo. The second one is Udu community. Under tribe Udu community is recognized as Urhobo. The third one is called Patani. Under tribe Patani is Ijo. If you look at the list down, tribes that speak Urhobo are being classified as Urhobo people. Communities that speak Ijo are being classified as Ijo people. Now, let's go to another page. In this place, Ila community in Enuane land and Anioma land is under the Igbo tribe. They are regarded as Igbo. In Oshimili South, they have Asaba. Asaba is Igbo tribe. If you look at under tribe here, Asaba is regarded as Igbo. Okwe community is regarded as Igbo. Now, in Ndokwa local governments, we have communities under Ndokwa East. Then under Ndokwa East, we have Ezionom community, Otuoku community, Ibuku community, Ushie community, Iyi community, Obikwele community, Umumbu community, Ashaka community, Okpai community. All these clans that I just mentioned are called Igbo tribe. They are not called Okwane. They are Okwane speaking people, but they are not called Okwane. They are called Igbo. Here also, we have communities that are under Ndokwa West local government. And under Ndokwa West, we have Otabuno community, Ogume community, Abe community, Otabube community, Amai community. All of them fall under Igbo tribe. Their tribe is called Igbo. Under Ukwane local government, we have Emu community, Obiaroko community, Umutu community, Akoku community, Ebede community, Eziopo community, Umuebu community, Umukwata community. All of them are called Igbo. Igbo tribe. They are not classified as a separate people. The government of Delta State see them as Igbo because their Ukwane dialect, their way of life, everything about these people is Igbo. Now, under Oshimili local government, we have Ibuzo Okpanam. They are known as Igbo people. Under tribe, they fall under Igbo. Under Ika South, we have Abo, Abavo. Under Ika Northeast, we have Owa, Utoku. They mention other Ika speaking communities that are under Ika Northeast and Ika South. All of them are called Igbo. Their tribe here is called Igbo. They fall under Igbo tribe. They are Igbo people. The government of Delta State, the law of Delta State recognize them as Igbo people. Now, under Aniocha local government, we have Ishiago, we have Ejema Aniogo, we have Ejema Ono, we have Umute, Obuluku, Obuluono, Obulokiti. All these people are Igbo. Their tribe here is Igbo tribe. You see, all the Igbo speaking people in Delta State are being recognized by Delta State law and Delta State government as Igbos. So when you see all these people, when they go about saying that they are not Igbos today, the government of Delta State will just be like, these people, do they really have sense? How can you be an Igbo person and you are saying that you are not an Igbo person? The law of your state recognizes you as Igbo. The law of your state see you as Igbo. You are not different from the Southeast in their eyes because all of you speak the same language, you have the same culture and tradition, there is nothing different between the Igbo speaking people in Delta State and the Igbo speaking people in the Southeast. They did not recognize Ika people as Ika people there. They only recognize Ika people by their local governments. Ika speaking people in Delta State, they are Igbo speaking people, but their region is called Ika. Ika is only mentioned in the name of their local government. But under tribe, they are called Igbo people. Ukwane people too, we have Ndokwa East, Ndokwa West, and Ukwane local government. Yet, we fall under Igbo tribe. We are known as Igbo people. In Oshimi local government and Anyocha local government, all of them are called Igbo people. Today, why are some of these people saying that they are not Igbos? Politics. Fear. These are the two major things that are making them to say that they are not Igbo people. It's very shameful for a person that came from an Igbo speaking community to tell you that they are not Igbo people. To tell you that he is not Igbo. It's very shameful. You will never see a Fulani speaking community tell you that they are not Igbo people. If you are from Anioma and you are saying that you are not Igbo, your community speak Igbo, you are saying that you are not Igbo, you are making yourself an easy target for the enemies. You are making yourself an easy target for bullies. Because you are separating yourself from the larger Igbo race. The power of Fulani people in Nigeria is their unity. Fulani is among the smallest tribes in Nigeria. But look at them today. They are united. They are so united. You will never see a Fulani person all over Africa tell you that he is not Fulani. The Igbo race is a minority in Nigeria because the Igbo race is not united. Yoruba race is a minority in Nigeria because they are not united. Hausa people are a minority in Nigeria because they are not united. Urhobo people are a minority in Nigeria because they are not united. Other tribes in Nigeria are a minority because they lack unity amongst themselves. People think that majority is all about having population. A population without unity is a minority. A population without unity, they're not they united at all, but they just get number because of see that they speak the same language. They are a minority. When you hear unity is power, they are not saying that unity is majority. No, unity is power. Is talking about because they are united, they have one voice, they have one agenda, they will be powerful. How come Fulani as they're small rich, they control Nigeria and then they talk with it, they happen. Even as they're small because they are so united. You will never see Fulani people disagree. You will never see a Fulani person sabotage any Fulani agenda. They'll just be like soldier ants. If they want to destroy, they destroy together. If they want to achieve anything, they achieve it together. Everything about them is in unity. That is why they are winning. That is why they keep ruling Nigeria till date. So when I call the Igbo race a minority, I am right to call them a minority. When I say Yoruba people are a minority, they are a minority. Every tribe in Nigeria is a minority because they lack unity. The reason why so many people in Anioma are saying that they are not Igbo is because they are afraid because of what happened during the genocide against the Igbos, during the Biafra war. They are not saying that Igbo people, but they still they fear rich today. That's why they deny saying they not be Igbo people. Ukwane people started denying their Igbo identity during the Biafra war. Nigerian army entered their land and they started saying, we are not Igbo people, we are not Igbo people, we are only Ukwane people, we are not Igbo people, we have no connection with Igbo people, we are from Benin, we are Benin people. That was how some of them escaped being killed in the Biafra war. Though so many of them were killed. Because in Otabono community, there is a massacre there. That massacre is exactly like that of Asaba massacre. We have 3 massacres in Anioma: Asaba massacre, Otabono massacre, and Ishiago massacre. Otabono is a community in Okwane land. They were killed because they are Igbo people. Another thing that is making Anioma people to say that they are not Igbos is politics. Politicians will get long throats. They will come and say they are not Igbo people. You will see their followers will tell you, we are not Igbo people. If you are following a leader and you are following that leader blindly, it's either you go astray or you go to the right path. You will see a leader from an Igbo speaking community will tell you that he is not Igbo. Those that believe in him will follow him. They will say, yes, we are not Igbo too. Why? Because person where they look up to thought saying no be Igbo. When a leader from Anioma say that he is Igbo, you will see those that are following him will tell you that they are Igbo people. So people should mind the kind of people they call leaders. Stop following people blindly. Stop following all these politicians blindly. Politicians are not to be trusted. You are saying that you are not an Igbo person. Delta state government, they call you Igbo. Nigeria government, they call you Igbo. Other tribes in Delta states, they call you Igbo. Other tribes in Nigeria see we Anioma people as Igbos, yet so many of our Anioma people will come online tell you that they are not Igbos, fooling themselves. If a lion like, let him eat the whole grass in the savannah. The cattle there will never call him a cattle. A zebra will never call a lion a zebra. A goat will never call a lion a goat. If that lion like make it chop the whole grass with the bush, they will never call him a goat. They will always address him as a lion. So all these Igbo people that are saying that they are not Igbos, they are lions that are calling themselves goats. And other goats are telling them that you people are not goats, you people are lions. You be lion, they call yourself goats. Other lions they tell you say you be lion, you say no. Say you no be lion, say you be goat. You speak Igbo language, you say you are not an Igbo person. Are you not a stupid person? Yes. People who go say you just stupid because you just disgrace yourself online. How can you see a community that speak Fulani, they will be saying that they are not Fulani people? Who are they deceiving? Igbo people are saying that they are not Igbo people. Who are they deceiving? They are deceiving themselves because they can never change the reality. They can never change the truth. They can never change nature. Everyone in the country recognize them as Igbos. Even those that are supporting them, whenever they say that they are not Igbos, those people see them as Igbos. Those people are only supporting them to make sure that the Igbo race is being divided. Because if an Ikwere man comes for anything, they will recognize him as Igbo. They will not even recognize him as Ikwere. They will tell you Igbo is Igbo, whether you deny it or not. You are an Igbo person. The same way Anioma people are seen as Igbos, whether they like it or not. Buhari recognized Anioma people as Igbos. Buhari said that Emefiele, the governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, is an Igbo man. He said that Ibe Kachuku from Onitshubo is an Igbo man. Emefiele is from Eka. Ibe Kachuku is from Enuane, Onitshubo. Buhari recognized them as Igbos. And you will see people from the committee of these men telling you that they are not Igbo people. Buhari will just be like, hey, whoa, Mumu, Kai, Mumu Banza, they will just see you as Mumu because your own Mumu, your own Mumu, if they carry the blood where they your body, put for pig body, that pig will die. Your Mumu not good. Yes, if a northerner can recognize you as an Igbo, you dey speak Igbo, you thought say not be Igbo. Now Mumu Igbo call you. The government of Delta State recognize every Igbo speaking people as Igbos. How come they did not recognize Urhobo people as Igbo people? How come they did not recognize the Soko people as Igbo people? How come they did not recognize the Jaw people as Igbo people? This is to tell you that if anything happens in this country, as far as Igbo is involved, we Anioma people are involved. The Igbos of River State, Ikwere people, Obaekpeye people, Eche people, all of them are involved because they are Igbo people. So when they say Igbos are involved, it's not only those that are in the southeast. We Anioma people are also involved because we are Igbo people. Stop denying your Igbo identity. We never take you anywhere. It's better we South Igbos embrace our Igbo identity and face our fear. When we keep denying our Igbo identity, they keep marginalizing us. They keep exploiting us. The Igbo race lack unity. That's why we are not going anywhere. And someone from Anioma will tell you, we are not Igbos. You don't concern us. We are not Igbos. Are you the one controlling the resources in your community? No. We can only claim back our resources if we are united. See, so many people that are saying, Igbo people, we cannot gain anything even if we are united. Those people don't know what they are saying. Unity is power. When we are united with a single agenda, when we are united, even if we have 2,000 agenda, as far as we are pursuing those 2,000 agenda with unity, we will never be defeated. Fulani people are a majority because of their unity. As the small rich, they control the full Nigeria. They control the entire Hausa where they not. Because they are so united. If only Ukwane people stand alone saying that we are Ukwane, we are not Igbo, they shoot themselves for leg because they remain a minority. You are an Igbo speaking region and you say you are not Igbo. You want to stay separate from the larger Igbo race. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Ika people say that they are not Igbo people. They are wasting their time. Other people say that they are not Igbo people. They are wasting their time. River State Igbos, all these Ikwere saying that they are not Igbo people. They are wasting their time. When you hear the word Igbo, they are talking about the Southeast, South, and the Middle Belt Igbos. They are not just talking about the Southeast Igbos alone. No. Our ancestors recognize themselves as Igbos. They call themselves Ndibo, Ndebo, Nada Ndebo. So before that your name Ikwere came into existence, before that name Okwani came into existence, before that name Enuani came into existence, before that name Aguleri came into existence, before that name Uri came into existence, before that name Usoka came into existence, before the name of every Igbo speaking community came into existence, our ancestors called their ancestors Ndibo, our ancestors called their fathers Ndibo, our ancestors called the ancient ones Ndibo. That is saying that we are Ndibo, Igbo people. So that name Igbo is not for the Southeast alone. Only the ignorant will tell you that the Southeast Igbos are the only Igbos in this country. That Anioma people are not Igbos. That Ikwere people are not Igbos. Those people are ignorant people, and those people are those people that don't want the Igbo race to unite. They know that the power of the Igbo man is unity. So the only way to destroy the Igbo man, the only way to reduce the Igbo man is to create disunity among the Igbo race. And that's why all these people that are saying that they are not Igbos, the Kabas are funding them, making sure they keep denying their Igbo identity just to carry out their evil plans and agenda. So all these Igbo people that are saying that they are not Igbos, the Kabas are using Nyesom Wike to tell them that they are not Igbo people. That's why Nyesom Wike keeps saying that he's not Igbo, to keep deceiving those that believe in him. As you don't say not the Igbo person, na Kabas they benefit. They keep exploiting you, and you will not have a voice to speak up because you people are a dot, you people are a minority. But if the entire Igbo race unite, once we say leave our crude oil for us, they will leave them. Because we are united. Okwane people support your region. Everyone support your region. Ikwere support your region. The entire Igbo race support your region. By telling the exploiters, the Kabas, to leave your region, they will leave you alone. Those people not even they plan to invade it because they don't say these people are united. They are unity in our power. We can't. They try to dialogue. So let's stop denying our Igbo identity. Igbo Bofu, we are one people. Okwane people, wake up. There's no difference between Okwane and the Igbo race. Stop allowing that name Okwane to deceive you. Okwane is the name of your region. It's the name of your dialect. You are Igbo. You get as far as Delta State government. The government here is telling you that you are Igbo, whether you are Okwane. It's telling you that you are Igbo, whether you are Ika. It's telling you that you are Igbo, whether you are Enuane. Wake up, Igbo Bofu. We will keep preaching Igbo unity to our people. Nobody or propaganda can divide us. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiawari.